This is Squishy collection video, my personal one, cause I'm Cheryl, and yeah, I'm supposed to do it at Rachel 73 full, but yeah, I didn't, so yeah, I want to do it right here, so please subscribe to my own personal account too. And yeah, so the previous collection with Kylie is, well, I should only bring my face squishy, so I got this Koala Commander Chicken and make sure that it's like very far. So yeah, I put very near so it helps. But yeah. Okay, I'm trying to like grab all the squishies off you. Okay, you can skip the part when grabbing. This very squishy. I'm trying to make as fast as possible. This bun, Mini and Penman. Pancake, which is super squishy. Donut. Shaki, which is very soft. Macaroon, pancake, chicken burger. Because there's something going on. So, destroy. This fake Hello Kitty rice on this loaf, and it has a huge air bubble right here. This waffle, donut, panda bun, and that these donuts super squishy. Medium burger, bubble donut. Burger, really defected burger. Cat, sandwich, squishy, cabbage bun, Hirakuma hamburger, pancake, two stitch toast, one stitch toast aloha, and one Disney toast. Got this bun mirror. So yeah. Yep. And then I got, seriously, you really can skip that part. Icing bun, burger, macaroon, cake rolls, cabbage bun, eclair, full donut, squishy, okay, smiley face hamburger, poop squishy, donut. Okay, I'm trying to okay. What's that falling off the table? This mini donuts, which is for sale. Kira, macaroon, cinnamon, this squishy, this cool squishy, this Cinderella's healthy toast, which is super soft. I got this full donut squishy, and then I got another Rilakkuma pancake. Rilakkuma laying down semi squishy with a tag. Breaded turtle. Not breaded turtle. Breaded holder. Territory. Steamed bun. Territory mushroom. Jumbo Rilakkuma pancake in the 100% soup. This breaded turtle, and it has kawaii face. So yeah, and it's super squishy. And yeah, so it's opened. This one-piece t-shirt squishy with the tag. And then I got this bunny squishy, which is really okay. Ah! These are fail squishy collection. So yeah. And then I got this 2 cream puffs, Gatorade and Coca Cola. This is really something. This is hot. This steam bun. Okay, yeah. Oh wait, there's one more last one. And lastly, this paw squid, which is the package. So yeah. So this is my own personal squishy collection. Okay. So I bet 60 or 70 plus. Don't bother like counting. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.